Ngicela ukuchaza ngalento ekuthiwa i-incarnation cross noma i-role ozoyidlala la emhlabeni. Le evelayo lapha kwi-human design mangabe usukwenza i-chart reading yakho. Yabona ngizokwenza ngami isibonelo. Mina ngi-right angle cross of the sleeping phoenix. Leyo nto isho ukuthini? Isho ukuthi 1, mina i-role yami la emhlabeni is here to be busy. Ukuqala lokho. Number 2, i-role yami eyokurevitalize izinto. It involves the cycle of dying and waking up. So if I see myself dying or shutting down the old, I know that I don't have to panic. I have to relax because my role involves dying and waking up. That is the sleeping phoenix. Inyoni leyo yase Arab that dies and wakes up. Yabo? If I see something collapse, I know what is still going to come up more stronger than before. Angithi yabo? So that is the role in every situation. Empilweni yami kuzoba ne cycle of dying, waking up, dying, waking up, yabo? Dying mhlambe, losing old people, losing old places, losing old jobs, losing old businesses, only to find something new. It's not a matter of being defeated. Yabo? That is my incarnation cross. And I'll find myself busy because I have what? I have that channel of 34 watt 20 incarnation cross yam. I'll find myself busy because I'm energetic. That is part of what I'm here to do. I am going to find myself an individual that is constantly busy. Yabo? Constantly busy. That's the person I am because my energy is moving so fast. So leyo nto leyo akuyona into ekumele ukuthi ngilokhu ngizama ukuyenza, iyazenzekela yona wherever I go. It's my frequency that I bring in this world. Mine, I will always find myself busy with things that I love. Yabo? It's part of what? It's part of my soul purpose, part of my incarnation cross, part of my role. To be what? To be busy. Starting something ukuthi inyuke. I don't have to worry if that thing collapses at some point and then I start another one. That is my soul purpose as well. Yabo? So esengiqonda ukuthini? Esengiqonda ukuthi nawe ungabikho ukudideka esayidini lakho. So if you have ever went to akashianmedia.co.za to do your chart reading, wathola i-incarnation cross, leyo nto i-frequency noma i-role that you possess that will show up time to time wherever you go, unconsciously or consciously. Akuyona into ekumele uthi ngifuna ukuyiphila. Iyaziphilekela yona. Phela ukuthi wena ukuziphileke ngendlela okuyiyo ekufulfillayo nawe, kufanele ukuthi wenzeni? Ulandele lento ekuthiwani i-authority ne-strategy. Ngoba phela mina, yes, as someone who is here to be busy, dying and waking up, I can find myself busy with things that don't even fulfill my soul. Isn't that doesn't even resonate with me and find myself frustrated. Angithi? 2, I can find myself dying and waking up like that only to find out ukuthi I'm waking up on things that I don't even love. Things that don't even resonate with me. So I have to be sure ukuthi I follow my strategy and authority. I respond. I don't have to initiate. I respond. Njamanje I'm responding ukuthi okay, this is the thing that is collapsing, right? Something that needs to be started will show up, ne? And then I'm going to respond. It's easy as that. So I don't have to start new projects out of my mind and like be all over the show. No. I follow my strategy and authority. So if you follow your strategy and authority, you are going to fulfill that incarnation cross that you are here to play. Or that you possess in your own life. Yabona nje umuntu one incarnation cross of limitation. Uzokutshela lo muntu lo unama limitations empilweni yakhe. Kuyenzeka azazi limit kwayena qobo lwakhe. Ukuthi things are not even possible. We don't have to go to such an extent. Angithi yabo? Umuntu one cross of limitation. is here to put limitation into place, yabo. In one way or other khona indlela yena ezoba nama limitations. Uzobona ukuthi empilweni yakhe kunama limitations ekumele ukuthi ahambe waveza kuyena nasebantwini aba around yena. Mhlawumbe uzothola ukuthi uhlobo lomuntu olwazi ukusiza abantu ukuthi be navigate through ama limitations athile akhona la empilweni. Okay, we know that government is here to limit us into this. We know that umthetho is limiting us into this. So ukuthi lo muntu uzithola nama project athile noma esema guidance athile okusiza abantu ukuthi how to navigate la kulento ekuthiwa ama limitations and laws and regulations and all of those things. Uyithole lapho ngoba limitations is part of yena into ayizele la ukuthi azoqondisa abantu ama limitations asebenza kanjani, put limits into things because ayikho into engena limits la emhlabeni, yabo. And again uthola ukuthi umuntu one cross of rulership is here to rule, yabo. Time to time uyithola enze njani, uyithola a ruler la khona is either use in charge in one way or other, usayithola se in charge nje. So ithola sekuyena kumele enakekela abantu ukuthi they need to be educated, resources, sharing of resources, education, yabo, taking care of those things automatically thola sekwenzeka lokho. But the main thing is it needs to be in alignment with you. You are not here to do something that you don't even love. You are not here to do something that does not even satisfy you, yabo, make you to be at peace or ezokwenza ukuthi ube na that, yabo, fulfillment empilweni yakho. So leyo nto le ukwazi ukuyifulfilla uma ngabe uzofollowa your strategy and authority. Strategy and authority, good people, iyona nto yokuqala leyo, iyona nto yokuqala before anything else, iyona nto yokuqala leyo on how to engage with life, yabo. Ngoba ngale kwalokho you are going to live as a not self for the rest of your life. I not self ke yiloko osukuyitshela ukuthi wena uyikona kanti awusikona. And mawuphila in not self you are not going to be satisfied, yabo. Mhlambe enye into futhi njengoba ungizwa ngisakhuluma ngalento, I used to say ukuthi akekho umuntu oyi authority yakho la emhlabeni, akekho ngisho yedwa. And njengoba simuva nje umhlaba update i-frequency yomhlaba is updating, ne-consciousness is updating, everything is updating, angithi yabo. And we are moving away from the collective way of doing things, those societies, organizations, social structures. We are moving away from those things. We are moving towards what? Individualism. That's where we are moving towards. Individualism, self-sufficiency and self-survival. That's where we are moving to. So you'll see these things of leaders, social leaders, government leaders, cultural leaders. You see them. It's not ukuthi mhlambe it's a mistake ukubathola ukuthi now they are fumbling. It's because obviously the frequency of umhlaba is updating itself for people not to trust the external authorities, to come back to their own internal authority. Akasekho ngisho umuntu oyedwa manje ongathi mina akaboni ukuthi into iyashifta, ama leaders they are not trusted anymore, yabo, because we are moving from that frequency, we are moving to the frequency of internal authority. So wena uma uzoqhubeka wena ube nema external authorities and you are not aware of how are you designed, how you supposed to operate, into ezokwenzeka ile uzoba confused, yabo, uzoba confused ukuthi what to do, because things are going to they are collapsing. Abantu bathembile abafundisi bakho, they are going to disappoint you. Your government is going to disappoint you. Your social leaders are going to disappoint you. Even at times your parents are going to disappoint you, yabo. So you are going to be frustrated because now when you think your parents or your external authorities are the ones that are having the full authority on how you should live your life and how should you take your decisions, you are going to be frustrated more than ever before if you don't want to go within and understand how should I take my own decisions. I can consult to people just to consult with them depending on the authority yakho, but that bus stops with you. That is the thing. Not even your teacher, not even anyone. You need to understand that. I'm going to use alone. Yeah. So I'm just helping 2027. We are beginning that cycle going forward. Yeah. CEO Akashan Media.co.za.